Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change air filter GMC Canyon step by step. Open the hood and prop it securely, then find the rectangular air box near the engine. Undo the clips or screws holding the lid and lift it straight up. Remove the old filter and inspect the box for debris, wipe clean, and seat the new filter correctly before reattaching the lid and fasteners. Start by unclipping or unscrewing the air box lid while keeping your hands steady. Lift the lid straight up to prevent debris from falling into the intake. Reach in and remove the old filter using a slow, steady motion to avoid spreading dust. Inspect the filter for oil, large debris, or damage, and note the airflow orientation before disposing of it properly in a trash bin or recycling where accepted. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It saves time so you can focus on car care. I mention it because a tidy garage makes maintenance easier and cleaner. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Take the new replacement filter and confirm the airflow arrow or orientation mark matches the old filter. Place the filter into the housing, making sure it sits flat and seals against the edges to prevent unfiltered air. Replace the lid, align it properly, then fasten all clips or screws firmly but not excessively tight. Double-check the fit, close the hood, and start the engine to ensure normal idle and no unusual sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.